Master Card Manipulation 1 Magic Book. Learn how to do incredible new card manipulations and magic to amaze audiences. Master Magician Darren Martino will teach you incredible new card manipulations. Revolutionary new magic. Learn diabolical new secret techniques. Learn card productions, split fans, new card manipulations, secret holders, new exploding productions, the Rolo deck with rising card, the mini rosette flourishing productions, card production from Jumbo Fan, and much more. Darren Martino is an award-winning magician, author of over 70 magic books and over 275 exclusive magic products, and is the protege of the world-class magician Alan Ackerman, who is a protege of the legendary card magician Ed Marlo, who is an author of over 80 books and has over 2,000 creations in magic, revolutionary new card manipulations and magic. Routines are explained in detailed step-by-step instructions with several photos. This is a must-read book for magicians. Click the link below to get this book now.